Does Apple's new MagSafe Battery Pack work with the iPhone 11 or other older iPhones? The answer may surprise you, or maybe it won't. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And like I said, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about Apple's new MagSafe Battery Pack and how it surprisingly, yes, can almost fully support the iPhone 11. In this video, I'm going to explain what MagSafe really is and why it supports the iPhone 11. I'm going to show you how you can use this with your iPhone 11. And finally, I'm going to mention some of the drawbacks to using this with an iPhone 11 or other non-iPhone 12 device. Let's go ahead and just dive into this thing. So Apple advertises the MagSafe Battery Pack is working exclusively with the iPhone 12 line. That's the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. And that's because this is MagSafe. And MagSafe is exclusively found on the iPhone 12 line. But while MagSafe has advantages over Qi, it is still backwards compatible with Qi. That means any MagSafe device can charge any Qi device. So I can take my MagSafe charging puck and I could charge an iPhone 11, I could charge a set of AirPods, anything like that. Any Qi device, a MagSafe charger can charge. And that same thing goes for the new MagSafe Battery Pack. While it is MagSafe, which has benefits, it is still backwards compatible with Qi. So I can set this down here. I can set my AirPods Pro right on top and begin charging them wirelessly. So just by default, of course, the same thing would apply to an older device, such as this iPhone 11 Pro here. I could set this on top of the MagSafe Battery Pack and just begin charging. Easy to do. It'll just work right out of the box, no additional steps necessary. Just place it on there, it begins charging like any Qi wireless charger. But I'm going to show you how you can get even more in-depth and turn this battery pack into something more MagSafe-like. See, I'm using what is called a snap adapter from Mophie. I have a whole other video explaining how you can add this MagSafe style adapter to your older devices to add MagSafe-like support. But essentially, it just attaches to the back of your phone. It's a ring of magnets and allows you to connect any MagSafe charger. And just like that, we have Apple's MagSafe battery with us wherever we go on our iPhone 11 Pro. And it, of course, would work with the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, anything like that. We just have Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack. And Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack only charges at 5 watts of power while on the go. So even compared to an iPhone 12, you're getting the same charging speeds while carrying this battery pack around. Same charging speeds, same magnetic capabilities. Almost full support for this MagSafe Battery Pack on an iPhone 11. But as I mentioned, there are a couple drawbacks to be aware of. For starters, this only supports charging. It doesn't support things like the battery widget. If we look at the battery widget here on the phone, it doesn't show up. We're charging, but it's not showing on the battery widget. So while it's charging, you're not going to get the status of the battery pack. That can make it difficult because you don't know the battery of the battery pack. There's no way to tell how much capacity is remaining, but as long as it's fully charged before you head out, you should know you have a full charge, and you should get about half a charge on your iPhone 11 Pro Max and a little more than that on an iPhone 11 Pro or an iPhone 11. Another drawback is wired speeds. When you're using Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack with an iPhone 12, when you connect it via Lightning, you can get up to 15 watts of wireless power. Unfortunately, since this is just Qi charging, you're not going to get those speeds. So it is another difference when using an older device such as an iPhone 11. Despite these couple drawbacks, I think this is a very acceptable way to use the MagSafe Battery Pack. Especially on the go when you're getting the same 5-watt charging speeds, there's really not many differences. If you're already using this snap adapter for other benefits like attaching a MagSafe wallet, using a MagSafe car mount, or using the MagSafe Battery Pack, this just makes sense. It is very easy to do, and you can get a 2-pack of these guys at the link down below in the description, and you can even save 20% with Apple Insider's exclusive promo code. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys going to be picking up a MagSafe battery pack for your older iPhones? Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned. We have more videos coming soon.